On BMW E, F, and G chassis models, the front kidney grilles serve as an iconic centerpiece of the front-end design. However, over time, the gloss black or chrome finish can begin to oxidize and discolor, causing the grilles to look old and worn. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to remove and replace them to restore a renewed gloss black aesthetic across the front end of this BMW F98 X4M, adding instant aggression while maintaining its sleek appearance. This tutorial should also apply to various other BMW models, although the process may differ slightly. The first thing we'll need to do is enter the vehicle and open the hood. On this BMW X4M, opening the hood requires a double pull of the interior hood release lever. Now, with the hood cracked open, we'll pull up on the release latch, giving us access to the engine bay. To remove the front grilles, we'll need to release the 3 retention tabs located beneath the upper engine bay cowl. From this angle, we can see the clip recessed inside the plastic cowl that needs to be released. We'll use a plastic pry tool to push the clip downward while simultaneously grabbing the grille near the clip location and pulling it outward. This will release our first clip. Now, we'll repeat the same process on the remaining clips next to it. Once all 3 clips are released, make absolutely sure they are not still caught on the cowl. Now, we'll grab the grille with both hands and pull firmly outward to release the pressure-sensitive clips along the sides. Once the side clips are released, we'll need to tilt the grille upward so the upper clips do not catch on the cowl and break. And just like that, our kidney grille is removed from this BMW X4M. For this next step, we'll need a bottle of clean water and a microfiber towel. Before installing the new grille, we're going to clean the mating surface to help preserve the paint underneath the grille over time. Simply pour some water over the dirt so the majority of it can flow downward and off the vehicle. Now, we'll use our wet microfiber towel to clean up any remaining dirt and debris, leaving us with a clean and smooth mating surface for the new grille to be installed onto. This is the new gloss black grille assembly that we'll be installing onto the vehicle. Please note that on any non-M vehicle, we can simply install the new front grille directly onto the vehicle without modification. However, on this specific F98 X4M, we'll be removing and using only the new outer grille assembly while transferring the original inner portion over to it. On official M vehicles with a non-removable M logo attached to the grille, we'll need to remove and transfer the entire inner grille section over to our upgraded gloss black grille shell. This means the finished grille will feature the new BAVMODS exterior shell, while retaining the factory inner grille and M logo for the original M aesthetic. Another important detail to note is that non-M vehicles have a large cover over the air duct, while this section needs to remain open on M models. This is another reason why transferring the inner grille portion is necessary on M vehicles. Now, we'll carefully lift the tabs with the plastic pry tool while pushing the 2 sections apart. We'll continue working around the entire outer perimeter with our pry tool, releasing each clip until the 2 pieces separate. Be careful during this process so none of the clips snap. Once all of the clips are released, we can simply pry the sections apart, and the outer portion will be ready to be replaced. We'll take the factory inner grille portion with the M badge, line it up with the new gloss black grille shell, and snap the 2 sections together. Please note that when transferring the factory M grille inner portion, the bottom center clip is a different shape. You'll need to carefully remove it and file the remaining area smooth. This will prevent a gap from forming between the factory BMW inner grille and our upgraded outer shell. Now, it's time to install our new grille. Simply align all of the clips with their mounting positions and firmly push the grille into place. Then, use your hand to press along the outside clips across the bottom, sides, and top until everything clicks securely into position. And just like that, our refreshed outer grille is installed onto the vehicle. Our new grille looks sleek, refreshed, and features a deep gloss black finish, especially when compared to the oxidized, worn, and faded factory grille, which looked completely aged. Now, to finish the job, we'll repeat the exact same process on the other side. And just like that, our front kidney grilles have been fully replaced. We've taken years of visible wear off the front end of the vehicle, while enhancing its appearance with a sleek, refreshed, and stealthy gloss black look. If you want to restore and refresh the front end of your BMW E, F, or G chassis model, our upgraded kidney grilles are a simple yet effective way to do exactly that. As always, thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful installation videos just like this one.